In this video, we are going to see how to fix the self-monitoring task failing with error BCO SH FAIL001. If you see an error like BCO SH FAIL01 in the self-monitoring task and in the scheduler sepit.log, if you see the error like this, it means the self-monitoring task cannot execute the etlrun.sh script because there isn't one installed on the application server machine. The self-monitoring ETL is one for every BCO installation. By default, it will schedule on primary scheduler because the scheduler is always installed. If the user chooses to install the AS and EE separately, this task is still scheduled on primary scheduler, but it cannot run because ETL is not installed on application machine. To fix this, we can edit the schedule task and by changing the scheduler. So for that, we'll log into the TSCO console. I'm in TSCO console. Now here we click on administration, ETL and system task, ETL task. And from here, we'll search the ID 38. This is the self-monitoring. We'll click on this. First, we will unschedule it. Then we will edit this task. We'll scroll down. From here, the primary scheduler is selected. We will change it to the ETL machine. Like for example, this one. And we'll click save. Now this task will run on the ETL engine scheduler and will be able to access the ETL scan.sh script. Thank you for watching and have a great day.